Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's Eric coming back at you again. Just a quick video and another accessory today. Actually putting a switchback clear and amber d.r.l. on the front of my slingshot. I didn't start the video with installation. If you can see here, it's 3M tape. Drilled in a little hole in the slingshot. You will have to drill a hole to get this to work. And it's waterproof. If you can see that or not, I'll come back with a follow-up video. And just to let you know, guys, it looks pretty bright, pretty good. I'm not going for a night show or all that stuff. It's just a d.r.l. on the front, maybe one on the bottom of the splitter, but that's all of the LEDs. Yeah, that would be the extent of it. But anyway, this is what I bought, and this is what you're going to get in the kit. It's like a 4-foot long LED strip. There's only 2 wires, a red and a yellow to hook it up, and the black wire that you see with the big one here. That's going to have an inline fuse inside of there. Okay, guys. So it will switch back when the daytime running light is clear, white, and it will switch to amber when you return. Okay, I'm going to pause this video and put the other side on and just kind of show you again real quick what we're looking at. Okay, remember this is your stock side. You could have stopped the d.r.l. here. I ran it completely around only because I have this a 4-foot strip. And mainly, let me tell you the reason why I made this video here. Some companies, they sell these d.r.l. kits just for the headlights right here. They want $150, $200 for these things. Well, first of all, I'll let you know that d.r.l. was not made for a slingshot. That's not what it's for. That thing is marketed as a running board accessory for your pickup truck, like a pickup truck, your Escalade, Navigator, or anything like that. Just kind of when you open your door, it lights the ground for the turn signals, you know, when you turn the turn signals on. But the difference is, that thing was on eBay for $24. $24 for a 4-foot section. And let me show you just one other thing, just how thick it is. Hopefully you can see the thickness. That is a very thick piece. The LEDs are pretty bright. Waterproof in here, which you can pop out. You can cut this. I have already cut it to length, and I've already tested it before I drilled, and I suggest you do the same thing too. And again, this is what I came up with. All right, I'm going to stop the video, put the other side on, because it's going to get hot as it does. Okay, bye. Okay, guys, that's going to be a little hard to see me. You don't really want to see me. You want to see what I'm doing anyway. Okay, here's your LED strip that I was speaking of. Hopefully the camera can focus in on it. Using a cell phone, I don't really know what you see at this point. Okay, as I said before, it's pretty thick. There's a 3M backing tape on there. Now, I'm not certain if that's real 3M tape. 3M tape is pretty expensive. I use 3M tape. It can be obtained at AutoZone or Raleigh Auto Parts. You get a strip maybe like $12. Get a strip, $12. But anyway, what you're looking at here, hopefully that you can see. Here's your LED outlines right here. And so what you want to do, how I set this one up and ran this one, you want to get your wire going at this point here, not up at the top. You want it at the bottom so no one can see it. You want to keep it clean. So actually what you want to do, depending on if you're going to run the LED from here and stop, that's where you're going to cut the LED, or if you're going to run it all the way around. That's what I did. That's what you do that. So what you do before, not take the tape off, just kind of go like this here, lay it up against here, press. Get a second person, that'd be great. But don't take your tape over here. Take it, bend it around. So you can find the excess lines. So from here, I know all of this space, so I'm gonna let it go. Then it just dictates how far you want to go that. I actually want to go back here, which is a good stop. So at that point, what you do, remember where you're at, and double check. And just, okay, one other thing, guys. Remember, measure many times as you need to. Cut it one time. So that means saying, careful, take extra measurements. We don't waste your product, waste your money. And I'm looking at about here. Where it is. For me to take mine all the way completely back around to match the other lights that you see here, I'm going to have to make a cut in this section here. Now, keep in mind, what you cannot do, you can never cut on one of those LED chips. You can kill the whole LED strip. If you look very carefully, there are cut lines. It'll tell you exactly where you can cut it in between the chip. Never cut the white, never cut the yellow, never cut on anything that looks electric. That's what kill the strip. So you could go literally where you see the black section here. Hopefully you can see the black section. In between where there's nothing, you can cut it. Well, I'm going to finish this measurement and we're going to go ahead and get it put on. Okay guys, just one other tidbit also. If you do decide to use this product that I use here, remember the black is the ground, it has instructions, the yellow and the red. Just one wire to your turn signal and one wire to your headlight. However you want that d.r.l. to be triggered. Normally you want it on the low beam. So, but anyway, I don't want to, you're going to have to drill a hole through your slingshot. You don't want to drill this big fat hole right here. So what you want to do, just cut those wires completely off for now. But you're going to have to just tape them back together. If you don't cut the wire off, you got to put that big hole in your slingshot. I don't think you want to do that. So, and if you do cut it, just cut it completely. You're only using the smallest drill bit just to get hole through, and you can attach them to the inside. There's a lot of space in the shoulder hood. Okay. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the LED strip that I cut. Remember, do not cut the wire in, because unless you want to plan on doing a lot of soldering and putting it back together for useless, no purpose at all. You should cut it correctly in. And as you see, I took a pair of scissors and I just literally went across here. There's a cap that goes in here to make it waterproof, but you want to put some crazy glue, Gorilla Glue, something in there, just as an extra sealant, because you don't want moisture or water to get in there. But anyway, guys, just a quick little tidbit. Each LED strip has the exact same amount of LEDs, but when you get ready to cut these things, do yourself a favor, because I just screwed it up a little bit. I've cut quite a few of these things with different project cars and stuff over the years, import cars and stuff. But sometimes you get it right, sometimes you get it wrong. Luckily, I didn't screw the whole strip up. But anyway, if you measure out before you make your cut, if you got extra material, if you have to actually cut it, do not cut it to the exact LED length. Cut it a little longer, maybe an inch longer, 3 or 4 LEDs longer, just in case. You never know exactly where that LED is going to die off at the end. I cut it to the exact length, and actually it died a little shorter. So I had to lose about an inch from this side of the slingshot. This LED strip here is going to be about an inch, about a half inch shorter than the other side. You can never tell because you can't look at both sides at the same time anyway. But anyway, just a tidbit, do not cut it to the exact length if you have to cut it at all. Just cut it a little longer, maybe about a half an inch. Once you've finished and you know that those LEDs work, trim it off at the end, because you probably will lose 2 or 3 LEDs. That was one step I forgot to tell you in the beginning. Okay, so just leave it a little longer when you do your measurements, about an inch longer. Once you've got everything connected, you can see that your lights actually work, then you can do that. Hang on a second. Okay guys, just to show you what you should expect with this product. Hopefully you can see this video because it's bright. It's bright, sunshiny day. Probably gonna get about degrees. But anyway, California 3. Alright, so I don't have a fuse or anything put back on yet because I still got to get up under the slingshot and connect this. Okay, so what I did, just got a old lithium battery. I know it's got a little power in it. It's from my Can-Am Spider. I just changed that battery. Put a new battery in here. But I don't have a little power. So what I'm going to do here, hopefully it comes from the camera. I'm going to show you the different modes. So again, remember your black with the fuse is going to be in there. So hopefully you can see this. That's going to be amber. It will flash like that, which you turn see brightness. Now I'm going to switch it over. If I go red, positive. If I go red, positive. And black and negative. This is the first one, d.r.l.s. And it will look like that while you're running. Or slingshot running, because you have like drum on the slingshot. Okay, but this, remember, this could be used for anything, guys. It's not just a slingshot. This product is not even for a slingshot. So don't be fooled when you're paying $150, $200 for d.r.l. This looks like a quality product. And to me, I've used quite a few d.r.l. car shows in the past. And this is $24. Don't be fooled by it. Somebody tell you it's for a slingshot. It's just a d.r.l. Okay, let me hold up. I'm gonna put that strip on and drill that hole. Okay, moving on, guys. So this particular one here, I'm just about ready to drill the hole. I don't think this camera is straight. Okay, guys. I'm trying to do this kind of quick. But remember, quick, but don't rush. You only get one time to do this. One time to mess up your slingshot. Okay. Get my body out of the way. Again, when you drill, make sure you do this double kill. Because at this point, I'm only waiting for $24. $24 for the way. So definitely want to make sure you don't put in necessary holes in the slingshot. Come across. I'm measuring my hole here. I got about a hole here. That's where I'm going here. Now you will punch through. There will be a bracing at the very back of the slingshot. Brace when I go through the first part, second part, wiggle a little, voila, finished. Don't be scared, guys. You take this to the shop, you have to have some electrician come out and do it for you. And you got a buddy that might do it $50. The shop might charge $100, $200, depending on what electric shop charge per hour. So we'll go to one hole on each side. That's all that's going to be required. And for this drill bit, I think the 13, 16. Okay. Okay, guys. It's time to do a moment or two. As you see, you got the 3M backing tape on the back, the front. So what you want to do, once you cut these wires and tests to make sure they actually work, it might be a little harder to get them good with the hole. So again, you can just cut it all the way back to the plant. Let's just see if this will work. Cut it all the way through. show you this too. Not finished, but you don't see any wires either. No wires. Now it's time to pull the tape off the back. What it is, you want to pull it very slowly. The main thing, you want to clean the surface, make sure there's no dust or contamination on there. You also will give the 3M tape the best chance to slingshot on your paint. So clean that. They recommend the 3M, but I think the alcohol pad, alcohol, regular bottle of rubbing alcohol. To remove the contamination really good. Yes, bottle of rubbing alcohol and a cotton ball. Just do that. Small surface, and should have pretty good. Okay, guys. Pause just to take the red tape off. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna put it in the key. But what you want to make sure is here, put it on very slow. Section at a time. If you want to make sure that you push it down. If your strip is following the groove, when you look at it, there's no weight. It doesn't look weighty. It doesn't like strong. The last thing you want to look at, not how cool your LEDs are, how wavy and incorrect and strong. See, I push it down. You got a sharp curve right here on your slingshot. I can't say every product will work the same with the bend, hopefully working with time here. But you do want to let your product get up to room temperature. I mean, outside temperature. Unless you're cooling inside in the house, or living room. Peel it around just like that. Have a little wiggle time. Product. First one. The other one went on pretty good. Again, this is a Chinese product. It's a 3M tape. Pretty much saying it's not really some generic stuff. So what you do, point that to the small bottle. Get it to go to O'Reilly. We did very well in this section here. Just like very well. Pick up the real 3M tape. You can pry the stuff off with a full ply. That's what you want. Plan to stay on stickiness. So anyway, that is most likely what I will be doing. Not most likely, I will be doing. But we're going to finish this video. Let's take the video again. So spilling off, anything like that. Like I don't like out here and here. It's just not it's not sticking. Stuck over here very well. This section didn't. So get 3M tape, real 3M tape, all the parts place. Stick to the back of the tape. Pull it off. Stick it on the back. Pull your back and off. And then you have real 3M. Okay, guys, I'm gonna lift the hood, connect these wires, and we'll go from there. Okay, guys. Took a little longer than I thought it was going to take to get this done. Mainly because there's a couple things I didn't have. I need to get some wire. I need to get some electrical wire. Connectors. I thought I had connectors at home, but I didn't. So I went out, bought a pack of connectors to connect the wires. For right now, I just want to make sure these things are actually going to work. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. Just kind of monkey wrench or jerry rig. Trust me, that's not how it's not how it's going to stay. Did get connectors. I just want to cut the lights on now and show you what it looks like. Hopefully you can see the d.r.l.s. I'll let the hood down. You can see it better. Actually what it looks like. Well, this one here on the left, I just pulled the wire loose. But hang on. It's done the exact same way. The hole was drilled down here. The wire was running through the same factory hole that you see there. I brought the wire around. As you see the tape here, that's temporary because at the time it was hot day and I just needed to test and make sure this thing was actually hooked up correctly. And as you see that wire here, I triggered this wire off of the two park lights here. And as you see, you have a blue, a green, and a black wire. The blue and the green wire, excuse me, the blue, stand corrected again. The green and the black wires are the only two wires that you're going to use on this side. The third wire from this kit, you don't even have to use. I'll explain why. If you can recall, I said that this is this d.r.l. kit that I found on eBay. That it does have a switchback, that it will switch from clear white to the amber turn signals. Again, I said this is not a kit for a slingshot. This is actually a running board accessory for a truck, a pickup truck. Well, I know I stated that in the video. I was wrong. It is not a switchback. You have a choice to either use these lights as clear d.r.l.s or, you know, side marker lights for your truck or whatever, or amber d.r.l.s or amber step lights on a pickup truck, SUV or whatever. But they are not switchback. Repeat, they are not switchback. It's either or. But I'm going to pause and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Again, this is a purchase on eBay. I think it was about 25 bucks. And sorry that you got it wrong in the description that they are switchback, but I just didn't read it correctly. But I love how it turned out. Very bright, very nice, and 24 bucks still compared to d.r.l.s that are not this bright, and I don't think it's not even this quality. 150, 200 bucks, still a great bargain. So something for you to consider. Hang on. Okay, guys, there's the finished product. And with that being said, as you see, this kit for 24 bucks comes in 2 4-foot strips. You're not paying $24 a piece, you're paying it for both sets. And most people that have the d.r.l.s that I've seen, they have it stop here because you don't get enough material in those kits that they're selling. But I ran it all the way around. I think it looks killer. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna pause for a second and just walk around and not talk too much, just let you take this in. Leave in the comments what you think of these d.r.l.s. I will try to take a quick photo of the ad on eBay, just in case someone wants to buy this particular product. You know where exactly to get the exact same one. I am buying this again, the same product, but I'll be putting it across the bottom of the fairing down here. And I think just really nice. Really nice. So I don't know how well this is showing up on the camera because it's still daytime here in California now. Those things are bright. They're very, very bright. It gives the reflection as if it's 2 d.r.l.s, like a double line. That's not a double. It's just reflecting off of the material here on the slingshot. But a very cool reflection altogether. Okay guys, I'm going to end this video. Let me run in the house and I'll take a picture to eBay and I'll end this video. Okay guys, was the actual eBay app. Okay, have this. It is waterproof. Note the word static, so it is not switching back. I didn't know static to start with. Okay, but they're very bright. And see how they were used on the vehicle actually as a running board. So you have different options of however you want to use this stuff. But you saw how I use it. And let me see if I can find the seller information for you. Okay guys, see on eBay, that's the guy who has it. You're just gonna have to look through and find information. I don't see the item number. Okay guys, I'm back. Just one closing thought. Hopefully you liked something that you've seen today. You learned something about product that you might have been interested in. And maybe even more what you have to do to tackle such a product. It wasn't very hard, but it did require you to be a little careful. Just remember you are drilling into your slingshot to the plastic area, and just pay attention, go slow, and you can get results like that. And again, you don't need a lot of money to spend a lot of money to get the same kind of result, that kind of thing. So anyway guys, I know this video is a little long, but I didn't want to tell you about how I installed it. I wanted to show you how I did it. So from beginning to end, just in case you wanted to do it yourself. So it's more of a tutorial than just look at what I've done. So anyway, I hope you like it, and if you do like it, would you please consider subscribing, hitting the like button, turn on the notifications for any of my future videos that I'm posting. There will be several more new ones that are coming, and there are more products for the slingshot. Oh yeah, for the guys who ride the spiders, I haven't forgot you. There's more stuff coming for this too, and there might be a surprise with something else that might be coming to my phone. Another toy. Okay guys, take care, God bless, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Okay guys, just in conclusion to this video of installing the d.r.l.s on my 2018 Polaris slingshot. As you can see here, that hole that I originally drilled, it came through. I ran it through a tight gray body bolt hole there. That particular kit actually came with the zip ties, and I just ran it through. If you go from here, from that wire to there, right to your plug here, to your plug harness. But this is the passenger side. There's only 2 wires that go here in that plug. It's very simple. You want to use the 2 plugs, 2 wires. Now on the passenger side, driver's side, there are more wires. There are more connectors. Let me go over there.